Hi friends, how are you? Today I am making rainbow tree painting. For the painting I use 12 by 12 inches canvas. Take canvas and start the painting. I make trunk and branches with the brown color. Now make 3 sets of cotton buds. 6 to 7 cotton buds in every set. Make leaves with them. You can see in the video how I hold and how I tap the cotton bud on the canvas. Red color I use first of all from the one side and now the turn of second color, which is yellow dark, and apply this as I apply red. Make sure that you change the side of cotton bud of before to take the new color. Now the next one is the green. This is the third color I'm using in the it's beautiful. After green you can see I take sky blue. Royal blue, of course. And the pink color is the beauty of softness. Take round brush and start making branches smoothly with the black and some blue shade. Make grass on the ground with the big flat brush. Again use cotton bud and make like flowers. It's covered with the round brush. Make dots just like leaf falling. Color same as in the tree. And it's over. Rainbow painting is ready to display. Thanks for watching. Stay in touch. Friends, how are you? Different style of tree today. For the painting, take 12 by 10 inches canvas. With the flat brush, take yellow color and make circle. And also circle around of every circle of different color, as you can see in the video. And most important thing is that when you apply new color, must apply white color on the end of new color and blend it for the soft look. Now complete the base to continue to color apply. When complete your base, take brush and make trunk just like a wave. Like I make in the video. Cover the whole area. Hi friends, how are you? In this video, I guide you the way of rainbow circle shape with the art tools. For the painting, I use A4 size art sheet. Now start the painting. Take round brush and make trunk from the down. It's fat, but from upside it's thin. Take small round brush and make branches carefully. Small round brush and make branches carefully. Now take different size art tools, round sponge, and make circle with them to use different colors. Some dots with round brush in circle and the around.